The goal of this presentation is to show best practices learned for analyzing large sets of qualitative data without over-reliance on software. It will describe how we yield accurate, valid, reliable findings, and it'll also show how large data sets can be parsed for analysis without missing any participants' responses. The work we do is focused on the lived experiences of a large population, active duty military and veteran families. We've developed a process by which we can collect large amounts of textual data and code it using traditional methods, but relying on computer-assisted data analysis software to serve an organizing function. We often use open-ended questions in online surveys for our work with large essay-type responses available for our participants. You can see in these example projects here that we have had large response rates, and you can see the data more granularly at militaryfamilyadvisorynetwork.org/our-research. We use Qualtrics Text IQ, but these ideas are also easily used in other software like NVivo or Deduce. We've even done this in Excel. First of all, preparing the data for upload, if you have to upload it, is an important step in making sure it can be coded properly in the software. Whether they're interview transcripts, artifacts, or textual responses, take time to plan this before upload. Reading the responses is absolutely key. We don't rely on the data analysis software to do this for us. When it's a very, very large data set, we use Teams to code the data, but we all read it. The first round in analysis is open coding, like it would be traditionally, tagging the themes and ideas we see. In Qualtrics, this is where we start with tagging those themes and concepts. The second round is the opportunity for synthesizing the themes. In Qualtrics, this is where we would build parent topics that integrate the smaller concepts. I know other software has that same function. But throughout, we're assigning the themes and topics, not allowing the data analysis software to do that for us. And we don't rely on the sentiment analysis either. We do that ourselves. After that, we look at those overarching themes to find the patterns in what we're seeing. We're able to then cross-tabulate the parent topics with all other data points to learn more about what we are seeing, but only after the coding is complete. And the interconnections, depending on the software you're using. The organization of this data can help you see interconnections among your findings, among your responses. These three projects have proven pragmatic validity. Each of these projects has been validated by military and veteran families and recognized by employees within the Department of Defense as showing the lived experiences of this wide population. The themes and concepts for all three of these projects were used to develop policy and new support systems for military families.